back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe and the one that my friends always ask me to do when I go back home. It's the Brazilian version of the Russian stroganoff. This is an easy recipe and it will serve up to 3 people. Let's start with the ingredients. 700 grams of top sirloin beef, 100 grams of fresh mushrooms, 2 cans of thick cream, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, oil, salt and pepper according to your taste. Small shot of cachaça or vodka, 1.5 cup of rice, 3 cups of hot water, 1 pack of potato sticks. Now let's go to the recipe. Start chopping the onion. Cut the meat in small cubes and cut the mushroom. We will need to use 2 pots, one for the rice and one for the stroganoff. Put oil in both and turn the heat on to medium. Fry the onions in one pot for 2 minutes. Put the rice in the other one. Add the salt and mix it. Now add the 3 cups of hot water. Cover the pot, letting it a little bit open, and let the rice cook for approximately 20 minutes or more depending on the type of rice you are using. Add the meat and fry it with the onions. Add the salt and pepper, letting it cook for approximately 15 minutes. Once the water of the rice appears, turn the heat to low. Now add the mushrooms to the meat and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then add the small shot of cachaça or vodka, mixing it a little bit and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Add the tablespoon of ketchup and the thick cream. Mix it for 5 minutes and once it's ready, turn off both heats. Now it is ready to be served. In Brazil, we eat the stroganoff with rice and add these potato sticks, which is a must in this recipe, and you can't miss it. It just tastes like home for me, and if you make it at home, let me know how it went.